Delhi police has solved the murder of a Delhi University professor within 3 days of the crime. A couple from West Bengal has been arrested for allegedly killing the professor over a property dispute. The victim was Devashmita Pal, an assistant professor at Shivaji College. She was found dead in her flat at Shattam Apartments in East Delhi's Basundhara enclave on Wednesday. According to police, the accused travelled nearly 1,400 kilometers from Bardhaman in West Bengal to carry out the murder. They allegedly planned the crime to gain control of a property worth crores of rupees. Officials said the couple were tenants in a house owned by Pearl in West Bengal. The property had been inherited by the professor after her maternal grandfather's death. Police said the accused had been trying to acquire the property. However, Pearl had been pressuring them to vacate the house. Investigators believe this led to murder plot. CCTV footage played a key role in solving the case. The accused were seen entering the housing complex on Wednesday. While wearing masks, they arrived in a private cab carrying bags. To avoid suspicion, they brought their child along. Police said they entered the flat on friendly terms as the victim knew them. The couple allegedly used a weapon they had brought with them to kill Pearl inside her home. Officials said the accused later changed their clothes and returned to the waiting cab. They left the area shortly after the murder. The cab driver was detained during the investigation. Police examined ride details and used them to identify the passengers. The probe involved an extensive search operation. Around 200 visitors who entered the housing complex on the day of the murder were scrutinized. Police shortlisted at least 13 suspects for questioning. 7 police teams conducted raids across 4 states. Hundreds of people were questioned during the investigation. The breakthrough eventually led officers to Bardhaman, where the accused couple was arrested. They are currently being interrogated. The murder came to light after the victim's sister, Devarati, became concerned when repeated calls went unanswered. She visited the flat and found it locked from the outside. After breaking into the apartment, she discovered her sister's body and informed the police. Investigators found a deep injury on the victim's head and severe injuries to her wrist. Police ruled out robbery as a motive because cash and jewelry were found untouched inside the flat. A murder case was registered and the investigation was launched immediately. Police said further questioning is underway to establish every detail of the conspiracy behind the killing. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.